Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for stays in the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the stays button. So first you need to provide a destination. So enter a destination. And then you have to select the start and the end date. And then you need to set the travelers and the number of rooms. And once you're ready, just click on the search button and browse through them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.